Have you ever understood an English question but didn't know how to answer it? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today, you'll learn some of the most common English questions and simple answers that native speakers use every day. By the end of this conversation, you'll be able to answer these questions naturally and with more confidence. Listen carefully. Repeat the answers, and imagine you're part of the conversation. Let's begin. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English channel. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment. Now, let's get started.
Welcome to Smart Learning English channel.
Hi, Dave.
Hi, Cindy.
How are you today?
I'm doing great.
Today's going to be fun.
Really?
Yes. We're going to practice common English questions and answers.
Oh, good. I hear these questions often, but sometimes I don't know how to answer.
That's very normal.
Really?
Absolutely. Many English learners feel the same way.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Let's start with an easy one.
I'm ready.
Here's the question. What's your name?
That's easy. My name is Dave.
Perfect. Native speakers also say, I'm Dave.
So both are correct?
Yes,
My name is Dave. I'm Dave.
exactly.
That's simple.
Great. Here's another common question.
Okay.
Where are you from?
I hear that a lot.
Me too.
How should I answer?
You can say, I'm from Myanmar. Or,
I'm from Malaysia.
exactly.
That's easy to remember.
Good. Here's a natural expression.
I'm listening.
People usually say, nice to meet you.
I know that one.
When do we use it?
When we meet someone new.
Perfect.
Let me try. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
That sounds natural.
It does. Now let's continue.
Okay.
Here's another question. What do you do?
That question confused me before.
Many learners think that.
I thought they were asking, what are you doing?
That's a common mistake.
So, what does it mean?
It means, what's your job?
Oh, now I understand.
Good.
I can answer, I'm an office worker.
Exactly.
Or, I'm a student.
Perfect.
That's much easier now.
Great. Here's another question.
I'm ready.
How old are you?
That's common too.
Yes.
I can answer, I'm 25 years old.
Perfect.
Or, I'm 25.
Exactly. Native speakers usually say the shorter one.
Really?
Yes.
I'll remember that.
Wonderful. Here's another useful expression.
Okay.
Native speakers often say, how about you?
I hear that all the time.
It keeps the conversation going.
So, after I answer, I can ask, how about you?
Exactly.
That's very useful.
It makes conversations feel natural.
I like that.
Me too.
These questions aren't difficult.
No, they're part of everyday English.
I already feel more confident.
That's wonderful.
But what if someone asks me about my hobbies or what I like to do?
Great question. Let's practice those common questions next. Great question.
Let's practice those common questions next.
I'm ready.
Good.
Here's the question. What do you like to do?
I hear that often.
It's very common.
How can I answer?
Keep it simple. You can say, I like reading.
That's easy. Or, I like cooking.
Exactly.
I can also say, I like watching movies.
Perfect. Native speakers use that a lot.
Nice.
Now here's another question.
Okay.
What's your favorite food?
That's a fun one.
It is.
I can answer, My favorite food is pizza.
Great!
Or I love sushi.
That's a very natural answer.
Really?
Yes. Native speakers often say, I love.
Instead of my favorite is.
Exactly.
That's good to know.
Here's today's useful expression.
I'm listening.
I love it.
I hear that often.
You'll hear it everywhere.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Do you like coffee?
Okay.
Yes, I love it.
That sounds natural.
It does.
I'll use it.
Wonderful. Here's another common question.
Go ahead.
Do you have any hobbies?
That's different.
A little.
How should I answer?
You can say, yes, I do.
Then I can say, I enjoy photography.
Perfect.
Or I enjoy playing football.
Exactly.
I like that word. Enjoy.
It's very common.
Sounds friendly.
Yes. Here's another question.
Okay.
What do you usually do on weekends?
I love this question.
Me too.
I can answer, I usually relax at home.
Very natural.
Or I usually spend time with my family.
Excellent.
That's easy.
Exactly. Everyday English is simple.
Sometimes I think English is difficult,
Many people think that.
but these questions are actually easy.
That's right. We use them every day.
I feel more comfortable now.
I'm happy to hear that.
I have a question.
Sure.
What if someone asks me about my plans?
That's another great question.
I hear that sometimes.
Yes. Questions about plans are very common.
Really?
Absolutely. Let's practice those everyday questions together next. That's another great question. Questions about plans are very common.
I hear them a lot.
Me too. Let's practice together.
Sounds good.
Here's the first question. What are you doing today?
That's a common one.
Very common.
How can I answer?
Keep it simple. You can say, I'm going to work.
That's easy. Or,
I'm meeting a friend.
perfect. I can also say, I'm staying home today.
Exactly. All of those sound natural.
Great.
Here's another question.
Okay.
What are your plans for this weekend?
I like this question.
It's very common.
I can answer, I'm going to visit my family.
Very good.
Or, I'm going to relax at home.
Excellent.
That's easy to remember.
Good. Here's today's useful expression.
I'm listening.
Native speakers often say, that sounds great.
I hear that a lot.
Me too.
When do we use it?
When someone tells you a good plan.
Can you give me an example?
Of course. I'm going to the beach.
Okay.
That sounds great.
That sounds friendly.
It is.
I'll use it.
Wonderful. Here's another common question.
Go ahead.
Can you help me?
That's very useful.
Yes.
How should I answer?
You can say, sure.
That's short.
Very natural.
Or,
Of course. Exactly.
what if I can't help?
Then you can say, I'm sorry, I can't right now.
That sounds polite.
It does.
I'll remember that.
Great. Here's another question.
I'm ready.
Do you understand?
Teachers ask that often.
Yes.
If I understand, I can say, yes, I do.
Perfect.
If I don't understand, I can say, not really.
Very natural.
Or, can you say that again?
Excellent. Native speakers say that all the time.
Really?
Absolutely.
That's a useful sentence.
Very useful.
Sometimes I'm afraid to ask people to repeat.
Don't be afraid,
Why?
because everyone needs help sometimes.
That's true.
Asking questions helps you learn.
I like that.
Me too.
These answers are short, but they sound natural.
Exactly. Everyday English doesn't need long sentences.
That makes me feel more confident.
I'm happy to hear that.
I think I'm getting better.
You definitely are.
But I have one more question.
Go ahead.
What are the most common questions people ask when they first meet someone?
That's a great question, Dave.
I hear those questions everywhere.
Exactly. Let's practice them together.
I'm ready.
Imagine, We just met.
Okay.
I'll start. Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Great. Here's the first question. What's your name?
I'm Dave.
Perfect. Here's the next one. Where are you from?
I'm from Myanmar.
Very natural.
Thanks.
Now another question. What do you do?
I'm an office worker.
Excellent.
That's easy now.
Good. Here's another one. Do you like learning English?
Yes, I do. I enjoy it very much.
Wonderful.
These questions are simple.
Yes, but they're very useful.
I can use them every day.
Exactly. Here's today's useful expression.
I'm listening.
Native speakers often say, "It's nice talking to you,"
I like that. When do people say it?
usually before they leave.
Can you give me an example?
Of course. I have to go now. It's nice talking to you.
And I can answer, you too.
Perfect.
That sounds friendly.
It does.
I'll remember it.
Great.
Can we practice one full conversation?
Absolutely. Hi.
Hi,
What's your name?
I'm Dave.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Myanmar.
What do you do?
I'm an office worker.
Do you enjoy learning English?
Yes, I do. I practice every day.
That's wonderful.
How about you?
I love helping people learn English.
That's great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
See? That conversation was simple.
Yes, but it sounded natural.
Exactly.
I didn't need difficult grammar
No. Just simple questions.
and simple answers.
That's how confidence grows.
One conversation at a time.
Exactly.
Today, I learned something important.
What did you learn?
I don't need perfect English. I just need to keep talking.
That's the best way to improve.
I'll practice these questions every day.
Wonderful. The more you practice, the more natural your English will be.
I believe that now.
Before we finish, let's repeat one last sentence together.
Okay.
I can answer simple English questions with confidence.
I can answer simple English questions with confidence.
One more time.
I can answer simple English questions with confidence.
Excellent.
Thank you for practicing with us.
We hope today's conversation helps you feel more confident speaking English.
Which question do you hear most often?
And which answer will you use today?
Tell us in the comments.
Thanks for listening.
See you in the next Real English Conversation.